if you just started using layer out, is the best time to invest over the first 3 to 4 layers and then layer out from the 5th one? Great question. Thank you, Signal. Thank you, Mike. See you guys out there. So first of all, I'm going to show you a combination of tools and approach. And what we did, just like the best miners, they build during the bear, we built during the bear as well to make sure we don't get caught out again. I whipped myself for a long time by missing the top of Bitcoin, and that's not going to happen again. So first of all, let's talk about the layer model, which we call LILO now, layer in, layer out. And the layers have nailed the support levels this dip of Bitcoin. It actually blew me away. One of the layers that actually came within $5, and it was stunning. So this thing actually works, but remember, it's a guide to give you discipline. Okay, so it tells you where the good layers of support and resistance are. If you want to add to your position, that's where you scalp, etc. And you layer in, and the deeper it goes, the more I buy. That's how I work. I nibble at the first dip, a little bit bigger second dip, big munch third dip, and then gobble everything up if there is a fourth. Okay, so that's kind of how I use it. But the higher you go, the less you buy. You can still DCA in. So I'm going to overlay this with step 2. You take the layer model and you combine it with something like the DCAS model. That tells you exactly where the layers are in combination with where to DCA, like we discussed earlier for our friend the truck driver. And then step number 3, the top and bottom indicator. This is when red, get out. That's it. And we spent a lot of time focusing and studying history across about 22 different data points and created this algo that tells you when to leave the market or hedge the heck out of your positions. And that's what we're ready for. So we have many, many tools now to help exactly when to get in and when to start taking profits and when to leave the market entirely. And all of those in combination is a killer solution that will give you an edge in the market. So hope that helps. So, but the short answer to your question is, you can still buy, if Bitcoin say goes to 42,000 at the halving, it might be worth having a nibble, but remember, you're not going to make a big return from there. It might be a 2x, whereas another token or another equity might do a lot better. So we like to move, we like to chase the alpha where the most return is, and we're not married to any one asset. So hope that helps. In terms of all the layers, typically the 10th layer is, that's the last profit-taking layer. That's the simple way to think about it.